Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to use the app Explain Everything. I have two on my iPad, the blue one here, and then I have in my iPad toolbar, I have the white one. The white one is the actual application that I had to buy, and the blue one is the free online app. So I'm going to show you the actual app that I use to make your lesson videos. So this is the first screen that I have, and if you look, I have a couple of videos and slides already made. So in Explain Everything, we can do a lot of things. I'm going to open up a new document. I'm going to go back home and hit New Project. I can choose to start my slides with a file, which a PowerPoint. I can use a template that I created or a blank canvas. So I'm just going to use blank canvas for right now. I can change the background of this. I want this to be a white page, so I am going to change the color, the background color, to white. I can use a pattern color if I want, or background, but I can change the texture. I can put dots. I can do graph paper. I can have vertical lines, or I can have horizontal lines that simulate paper. I am going to stick with just no pattern and just keep it as white. So first thing, I can write. If I hit the pen button, I have here 4 colors. I can change the color by holding it down, and I can pick the special colors I want. I don't normally like to write with yellow. I like to write with a dark blue, this color. I don't like this blue, so I changed that out for a purple, a dark purple. So these are the colors I like to use, and I can just start writing. You can draw. Forgot the E. Next, I can highlight. I can also change my highlight size, and I guess I can use that as a highlight. I can highlight text. I can also erase. So you have 3 erase options. If you hit that and draw a line through it, or just erase it. Now let's say I made a mistake. Let me hit undo. I can hit the undo button at the bottom to bring it back because I didn't really want to erase that. So I have here the paint bucket. I honestly don't use that. Yeah. I don't use that function, but I do use shapes. So I can draw a rectangle if I would like, and if I hit here, I can pick all these shapes. I usually use arrows a lot. You can change that color. They have preset colors here. If you hold it down, you can change the border and you can change the fill. Then I have text. If I hit the text button, it gives me a text box, which I need to erase my pen. And if you hit it, you can type as well. I can change the color by hitting this. I can change the color of my text, but I have to type it over. So I highlighted it, and I'm going to change I'm changing the fill of the text box, which you can do as well, but I need to change the font color. So I'm just going to highlight that and change the type of text I want. And I'm trying to find the color. I guess we'll go up here and see. Sorry, I keep erasing. I'm just gonna delete that for now, and we'll go back to typing. So how do I delete images? Hold on, I hit the hand tool, and the hand tool will let me move images around and move shapes. But this is the one I have selected, and I want to delete that. So how do we delete things? I just hit the X button and then tap whatever I want to delete. So I don't want to delete that whole thing. So I need to move it, go back to the hand tool, move it over, so that way it's not connecting with anything, and then I can delete this box. Which it is not, I'm doing too much right now. Also, I can hold the object down to select it and then delete it that way, which is what I had to do. So now, if I hit this, first I hit the X button. Let me go back to the hand tool to unselect. If I hit the X and whatever I hit, I can delete. Now I really didn't want to delete that, so I hit the undo and it brings my box back. Within this app, you can record your own video. You can voice over your slides. So if you look down here, I can record my writing. So I'm going to do a new page and show you. I'm going to turn the mic off because I'm using the iPad screen record, and I can record my actions. So I'm going to record, and if you see the time moving, I can record my math. I can stop it. And then, let me just minimize it. I can push play. If I go back to the first screen and go here, I can push play. And I will be able to see my writing strokes. So this is good for taking notes. And if you want to go back and see how you did something or show an example, you can record your keystrokes. You can also record your voice. Now, I can insert video of myself inside this document by just hitting video. So here I am. I can push record, and I am recording a video within my slide. And I have my LPS t-shirt on today. So this is also another feature in Explain Everything that you can use. And I use this to teach as well. Now, I'm going to move it around. I can make it smaller. I can make it bigger. So I'm going to keep it small right here. And I'm going to push play. Record. And I am recording a video within my slide. And I have my LPS t-shirt on today. So this is also another feature in Explain Everything that you can use. And I use this to teach as well. So you can put a video, and that's a feature I really like. You can insert any picture you would like with the insert tool. You can put a file. You can put an image. And I have some images here. I can insert, make it bigger. I can make it smaller by just pinching. I can insert documents, and there's also pre-made images here that I can search and put that here on the side. I can move mine over. Explain Everything is a wonderful, I love this app. There are so many more features, but I want to keep this video short. This is just the basic tools that you can use to create lesson slides or presentation slides. It's like PowerPoint, but a little bit better. Here I have all of my slides. I can delete slides if I want to. I can add more slides with this plus tool. And here's already the blank slide templates that you can add, or just add a plain slide if you would like. When you're done with this document, you hit the top, you can quick save, and it'll save. You can then also make your slide an instant video by hitting the, I like to call this the export button. You can make a video of this slide. By hitting video, you can create a document, you can create an image, or you can just make this a project. I usually make this a video, and I usually, when I want to make lesson videos. And we have settings here, some hints, all of that. And when you're done, you can just exit and it should automatically save. So this is how you use the app Explain Everything.